How to turn off Incognito Mode and Google Chrome on Windows 11, the normal way. This tutorial shows you how to disable it directly through Chrome's own settings. First, open the Chrome browser on your computer. After that, click on the three dots menu at the top right. From there, click on Settings. At this point, click on Privacy and Security from the left side menu. In the next step, scroll down and look for Incognito Mode within the section. Following this, if this option appears, click on it to disable Incognito Mode directly. Once done, keep in mind this setting may not be visible on every version of Chrome for personal accounts, since it typically depends on the specific build or update you're running. From here, if you don't see this option, try updating Chrome to the latest version first, since newer updates have gradually rolled out more direct privacy controls. At this stage, click on the three dots menu again, then click on Help, followed by About Google Chrome, to check for and install any pending updates. Keep in mind, once updated, revisit Privacy and Security to check if the Incognito toggle now appears. Finally, restart Chrome after making any changes to confirm Incognito Mode is now disabled. And that's it! If this guide helped you turn off Incognito Mode in Chrome on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one!